Okay, first you want to take off anything you have left on your skin. Take a dab of a light foundation like sand or something. Dab it on your eyes, the sides of your nose, a little on your forehead, a little on forehead. Blend. Dab. Rub a little into the eyebrows. Makes the eyebrows look, brings out the fine hair. The darker color. On your cheek, the ball of your cheeks, and blend it up into the lighter color. This helps to conceal circles and bags. Your dual-ended pencil. Do the outer corners in black. Then do the inner corners in gray. Stretching your eyelids a little soft. Flattering. I'll put some gray on the eyebrows, concentrating on the inner corners. It gives you a younger look. Thick, giving the inner corners more. I'll get the mascara. Concentrate on the upper lashes. You have real long lower lashes, put some on those. Otherwise, don't put more than one little coat. That will just bleed into your other makeup. Get your lips. A nice pink. If it doesn't look that good, you outline it with a white pearl gloss or a pink, pale pink pearl. Just get the very outer edge of your lips. You may be surprised that looks nice done in pink. You want to get your beauty marks. If you have any of those. Get a brush and get the white powder. And blend it till it reduce the smaller amount of it will show. You put some more of the white. On the outer corner of your eye, down to the cheek, and across the top arch of your eyebrow. Especially the eyebrow opposite of the beauty mark. Oh, the highlighter up there on that one. Now you're done.